Ingredients asterisk for the cake asterisk 1 cup flour, half a cup sugar, half a cup butter, melted, half a cup milk, 2 eggs, 1 cup shredded coconut, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla for the topping asterisk, half a cup sweetened condensed milk, 1 cup shredded coconut for decoration. Preparation method asterisk 1. Prepare the cake asterisk. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, mix the melted butter with the sugar until the mixture is creamy. Add the eggs and vanilla and mix well. Add the milk and mix until combined. In another bowl, mix the flour, baking powder, and coconut. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix until combined. Pour the mixture into a greased baking pan and bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until cooked through. 2. Prepare the topping asterisk. Once the cake is cooled, pour the sweetened condensed milk over it, allowing it to soak in well. Then, cut the cake into cubes and roll the pieces in the shredded coconut evenly until fully coated. ####serving. Wrap each piece of cake in cellophane and place it in the refrigerator to serve.